Welcome
back to Duration X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with BeautyFix.
Yay.
And we are filming videos back to back.
This is a box I never get anymore, but I wish I did because it's a great box.
Okay.
My other favorite, I think, right now.
And I do appreciate that they changed the, I don't even know what you call it, packaging inside to be this instead of the smaller bits. I like that they did that. Thank you, BeautyFix, if you ever watched this.
You must have watched our videos where all the black powder was getting all over everything.
So there's that. It probably shows what's in the box. I'll give you that so you can
pretty model.
Okay, so I'll start with, hopefully it's pronounced Vichy, or Vichy, I don't know, Laboratories, Vichy.
No idea.
Maybe Vichy, that sounds right. Lift Active Specialist Peptide C, Ampules Anti-Age.
This is a concentrated anti-aging serum made with phytopeptides and vitamin C.
I honestly was gonna buy, I'm pretty sure, this same thing. I mean, it wasn't like this. It wasn't the peptide C one. I don't think necessarily. Maybe it was. That's crazy. Now I have like a sample of something either the same thing or similar to it. Because it was in, I think it was on Allures, something I was reading on, I don't know, on their website or whatever. Bioderma Laboratoire Dermalogique. Jesus, I need English here. Shine Control Moisturizer. But see, it says combination oily sensitive skin, and I'm like, I have dry skin, so I don't know what to do with it.
Let's see, it says hydrate skin and regulate shine with this mattifying moisturizer.
Maybe I'll use it anyway. Okay,
and then it doesn't say the pricing. That
I have Derm Store's Daily Mineral Sunscreen, Sheer 10 Broad Spectrum, SPF 40. That's good.
Ooh, it says protect skin year round with a tinted facial SPF that blurs imperfections too.
Yeah, so
it's cute. Like, it's like tinted moisturizer with primer in it. So that's awesome, I think.
Well, I mean, yeah, we use CC creams like Super Goops and all that stuff. So, okay, and then I have Dermalogica. Can I say that? Multivitamin Power Firm.
It says Age Smart.
Age Smart. Yeah, I don't know.
It says potent vitamins power this treatment that helps smooth fine lines around the eyes and mouth.
And I'm out of my Juice Beauty eye cream, so now I'm switching to all these other eye creams. So that's good that that's an eye cream. And then I don't know how you say this. Niori. It's a pre-moisture mask, instant overnight hydration booster.
It says grape, damask rose, and natural hyaluronic acid restore moisture and suppleness.
Is it like, I don't want to exactly open it yet, but is it like a bottle of something or?
Yeah, it's like a little, I'm trying to think of what else.
Oh, like
one of those. And we don't know if we read this, but it says fresh for fall. Get ready to enjoy the changing leaves and sweater weather along with the soon-to-be fall favorites in this month's box. These products will help your skin recover from the summer heat while keeping your complexion hydrated, smooth, and protected all season long, which I thought was cute.
And then SkinCeuticals, Phyto Plus, for correcting, I think is what it says.
Yeah, it says this botanical serum helps soothe skin and diminish the look of discoloration.
I've
got lots of discoloration.
I know, me too.
We both do.
I think it popped up all of a sudden, like in our 30s or whatever.
When we noticed how red we were.
Well, no, I'm not. Well, I'm not talking about redness. I'm talking about sun damage.
Yeah, that too.
That like popped up in like I think when I was like 37 or something.
Unfortunately, lots of issues with our faces. We have to fix.
And I have to like counteract. It's better to protect than to have to go back and try to undo damage.
So true. If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. Like the next one we'll be doing hopefully in fall, and we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.